So we start working on the J37. I'm gonna take off the clutch, inspect it, and double check the rim main seal, make sure everything's good. And then if that's the case, I'll change the seal, put it back together, and then see if we can put the transmission on today. Everything else up here I'm gonna inspect also, but these seals I could get to within the car or once everything's assembled, because I can put everything together, push in the corner, and I could just clear up a few, clear up some space. Okay, I don't know what's going on here, but the whole bearing just fell out. I did not purchase one, so that's not looking good, for one. But this looked good. We got good life. I think this is an OEM. Yeah, this is an OEM disc with the Clutch Master flywheel. Okay, so, not bad. Flex plate does not look the greatest, but it also doesn't look the worst. See a little hot spot right here, but it looks reusable. Now this. Okay, seems good. It's just this whole thing just fell out. So I don't know. Maybe it wasn't installed correctly. Or, I don't know, it wasn't, yeah, it looked like it wasn't in all the way. So I still have to get a new one. But at least, I don't know, check the parts store, see if they have on the stock. If they do, pick it up, so we can just slide it in. So I can at least get everything back together, moving today. I tell you, sometimes we just can't catch a break. So everything was fine. This one was already stripped out when I started. I thought I could just get one good pull, but nope. So now I have to get me a new bolt and figure out how to fight with getting this stupid crap off now. So I just hammered a regular 17 onto it. Hopefully this has enough bite to just take it out. I don't know why, but this thing is fighting me, man. So I decided to just take it off and do the seals in the front to make sure everything is good, because allegedly the timing belt was also done by the previous owner. Check everything, looks decent, but then right here it's way too loose for my liking. So I don't know what's going on. So something is definitely off. This is off. It's not bad. But I've never seen the top section right here whenever I do my timing belt this loose. So I'm thinking the tensioner maybe just be getting weak. So time for a new timing belt kit. And maybe I get the manual tensioner also to get rid of this little slack. This is way too much. It's almost jumping. Look like it's easy to jump timing. Well, it's looking, I might have to put the 35 in instead of 37, but I'm gonna keep trying. So these are the bolts we took out. My friend was able to weld it on for me and we got it out. It was a pain though, but came out. So now I'm just taking out the rim and seal. It looked like it was a good idea because this does look a bit old and look like sometimes leaking right here. So yeah, I'm just happy the work was worth it. So now I just gotta take this out, change the seal, clean up this whole area, and hopefully put everything back together with no additional issues. we started cleaning up the garage a little bit, and we got this. This is the rear plate. It's the rear plate for the J37. When I put the old one on, it cracked, so I just bought a new one with a new rim and seal. I'm gonna install it, and then I could start getting all the pieces together for the flywheel. We're finally gonna start back on this. So right now I bought the plate and I'm just gonna install it. This one actually had like a hairline crack right here and here, so instead of just risking it, I just decided to just buy a new one, install it, and just, you know, be safe. So right now I'm gonna take this off, install the new one, and then try to put on the flywheel and maybe the clutch. So hopefully everything goes well, because if it does, I could start reassembling the transmission and the engine together. You know, put on one dolly, turn it, and then start focusing on the timing belt, and the rest of these are the burnt parts. These are just gaskets, so I don't think there should be too much issue, but I'm gonna change all that. But the main thing is try to, you know, get everything together: transmission, engine, flywheel, so at least that's out the way and it's just one big unit, and start taking this one apart, because I don't think I'm going to use the automatic transmission for anything. Probably put it for sale, or if not, just junk it, you know, just get rid of it. So this is where the leak is, well, where the crack is. It may have worked, not sure if you can see it, but that's where the crack is. Probably could have ended up just running it. It would have been safe, but next thing you know, under pressure it just starts leaking. Then I had to pull the whole transmission out again, so I was already here, so I might as well just do it, play it safe. So now I'm just going to clean this up and just mount the new one. So everything's cleaned up. So I'm just going to put the plate on right now. Put a good amount of Honda Bond on this thing. And man, I tell you, this thing sucks. Honda Bond squeezing this shit out. So this one looks good, no cracks. So yeah, I'm happy with this one. I'm gonna put the flywheel on and try to tighten everything up. Flywheel, the clutch, and then do the transmission another day. But this was the main part. So, install new pilot bushing, and I have new flywheel bolts and new clutch bolts. You saw the last issue we had with taking this off. So yeah, I don't want to take no chances. So I'm gonna put this on, bolt this up, and then hopefully move on to the next.